Next, the type of voucher. So as you understood the meaning of vouchers, there are two types of vouchers. One is supporting vouchers and accounting vouchers. Here, what is the meaning of supporting vouchers? It may be vouchers prepared by third parties and vouchers prepared by business. That's it is supporting voucher for help of the business transaction. In accounting vouchers, yes, very very important one. We are going to base upon the accounting vouchers. One is cash vouchers and non-cash or transfer vouchers. Here, what is the meaning of cash voucher? It may be debit vouchers or credit vouchers. Correct. That's a very very important. The accounting voucher, cash vouchers, it may be debit vouchers and also credit vouchers. Two classification. Correct. And non-cash or transfer vouchers. Here, the preparation of vouchers. How we are going to prepare the vouchers? So the source document by itself is a voucher. Yes, but in practice, normally a printed paper called voucher is prepared on which the accounts to be debited or credited along with the description. We want to mention in the particular voucher the description of the business transaction, the activities of the business. That's what they mentioned here. So debited or credited. So last learn we understood the meaning, the real what is a debit and credit for the accounting rule. So here the voucher is prepared on which the accounts to be debited and credited along with the description or narration of the transactions written. The narration is very very important. The story of the activities, the business activities for each day-to-day transaction. So the source document is analyzed to determine the nature of the transaction. We want to identify so what type of the transaction. It is a payment transaction, a receipt transaction, like that. So accounts to be debited and credited. That's why the preparation of voucher is very very important. Here, the supporting vouchers, correct. These are the documents which comes into existence when a transaction is entered into. So that's why it is called supporting vouchers. For example, issue of cash memo on cash sales, on issue of credit memo like invoice, credit sales, issue of receipt on receipt of rent, like that. That's why supporting voucher is very very important. So here the format I showed to you, the payment voucher. So any payment you want to mention here, what is the amount and date, then whether it is a cash or check, method of payment, whether through the cash or check, then we are going to pay whom, then the some money value. Then here we want to mention the narration, details of the, for example, purchase any computer, the bill, the purchase bill, then date, everything we have to mention here. Then we are going to pay, then approved, we will approve the particular payment voucher. So for example, some based upon the amount, they will fix some approved person. Up to 1,000 we will approve, above 1,000 we will approve, like that. Okay. Then paid by. So who paid? The accountant. So they have to mention, he will pass this voucher. Then signature. Where you get signature? The person who got the money. Correct. They will, after paying signature, they got money. So later on they can say, nah, I didn't get any money. So this is the main proof of the payment voucher. As evidence for that, we paid money for getting the signature from the pay. Correct. That's why the payment voucher is very 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 important. Correct. Thereafter, see the receipt voucher. Suppose we received any from the other party, our debtor, like that. See date, then the number, the running number of the receipt, the amount how much you received. We are received from whom? The name of the person, how much you received. Then what are the narrations? Received by who got the money. So they have to mention it, everything. Okay, this is what the receipt voucher. Correct. So the payment how is very important. Similarly, receipt also very very important because the cash inflow. So you got the money. For that, you want to have your proof. What way you got money. Correct. That's why the receipt voucher is very very important. So thereafter, the types of accounting voucher, we will say cash voucher and non-cash voucher. So here it's very important. When you set the cash voucher, as you know, it's prepared at the time of receipt or payment of cash or checks. That is called cash voucher. So what is non-cash voucher? It is prepared for transaction not involving cash. So naturally, whenever cash payment, it is called cash voucher. Not involving cash, it is called non-cash voucher. Correct? See here. What is the meaning of cash voucher? Once again. So these are the prepared for cash transaction only, like cash receipts and cash payments. And cash vouchers are further classified into, it is called debit vouchers and credit vouchers. Okay, so what is the meaning of debit vouchers? So these are prepared to record the transactions involving cash payments. So whenever any cash dealings, it is called debit voucher. Correct. So what is the debit voucher format here? See the format, the firm's name, debit voucher, voucher number, then here credit account we have to mention. So whenever debit, we want to mention credit account, then amount how much, then date, then debit account name, then amount, then narration, what are the exact transaction details, then who is authorized this debit voucher and prepared by whom. So all this information is available in our debit voucher. Correct. Similarly, what is the credit vouchers? So these are prepared to record the transaction involving cash receipts. When cash is received, it is based upon our cash receipt. See the cash credit voucher. Okay, so we credit furniture account where are credited. So like how we got credit, naturally we sold our furniture, our old furniture sold, we got money. So like voucher number, running number, the date, which date, then how much amount we sold, the manager who authorized, then account one who got the preparation of this credit voucher. Correct. This was the credit voucher, the company name who prepared the credit voucher. Correct. Then the non-cash vouchers or transfer vouchers. Finally, correct. So what is the meaning of non-cash vouchers? So non-cash vouchers or transfer vouchers refers to vouchers prepared for transaction not involving cash. Examples of these are invoice or bills, debit and credit notes, etc. Okay, so non-cash vouchers are prepared for the transaction of credit sales. That's what is called non-cash vouchers. Here money is not involving. Then credit purchases, then goods returned, then rectifying any mistakes. So transfer vouchers. Correct. So non-cash vouchers or transfer vouchers are gives the following information. So what information the particular voucher gives to you? So name and address of the organization, then the date of the preparation of the voucher, then the running account, the voucher number, then title of the account, debited or credited, what account, then the transaction amount, then the clear details of the transaction narration, then who will signature of the person who prepare it, what that particular voucher, then signature of the authorized signature, who will authorize the particular voucher. Here very very important, the prepared person and authorized person, that is very very important. Then supporting voucher number. So based upon what voucher we are going to prepare this voucher, correct? That's why it is called non-cash voucher. See here the format of non-cash voucher. See non-cash or transfer voucher, prepare the name of the company, so debited paint account, then we are credited say Ratna account. For naturally we got some plant account. So we got plant through credit basis. Correct. From whom? Ratna. Like Ratna pays like that, correct? Plant account, debit, then Ratna. So later on you will understand why it is debit and credit. Here this is just your idea. So what is the meaning of transfer of voucher? The format. See here the date mentioned, the amount, both side debit and credit also. Then from where it is debited, where it is credited. Then total money. Then see the accountant signed, prepared person. Then very important, authorized signature. That is very very important. Correct. The authorization is very 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 important. So that's what. So this class, this video, you have understood very very important one. The source document. What are the different sources available for document like cash memo, invoice, check, credit note, debit note, like that. Correct. So you please go through these all the source document. The source document is very very important. Based upon that only you can easily understood your further discussion. Correct. So I hope that you understood very well. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.